Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from prep, tools you'll need to do the job, or fitment to get the perfect look, plus a few helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get it in gear and get started. Today we will be replacing our telescoping antenna on our 65 Classic Betty here. And to get started, you're going to want to start inside the car. The first step with replacing your antenna is unplugging the antenna from the back of the radio. We know that Betty is a work in progress, so while she is missing the radio, the plug for the antenna is still there. You'll want to draw this out from under your dash and your kick panel. As we just said, Betty's a work in progress and she doesn't have kick panels. So we will be working this out from under the dash and tracing it where it goes through the inside of the car, through the fender, and we will want to pop that grommet out of place. Whenever you pull the cable for your antenna up out of the fender, you want to wait to get that back through your car. So something that you'll want to do is, we had some old shop wire laying around, and we're going to tape that to the end of our antenna so that whenever we pull our old one out, we can tape the new cable to this wire and fish it back down through. And if you have a hard time getting the grommet out of your kick panel, I have some pliers help me pinch that through to pull it up out of the fender. Now that the antenna cable is unplugged from your radio and fished out from under your dash and your kick panel and your grommet is loosened, we can now loosen the antenna on the outside of the car. So what you'll want to do is loosen this first, and you'll want to use a crescent wrench or a set of pliers if you have those. Inside of the fender, there is a backing plate that you're going to want to remove. And the easiest way we found to do that is using a pick. So you'll want to lower your antenna down inside of your car. Now that your backing plate is out, you're just going to want to fish your antenna wire out of the fender. Now we will want to open up our new antenna so that we can hook our cable to our wire. We'll fish this cable down through and get our new antenna backing plate installed and get everything on the antenna ready to go out here before we finish fishing the wire through the inside. As you can see, there is a notch on our antenna and there is a groove on our backing plate. So after you get your backing plate down into the fender, you may have to twist your antenna to get those to line up. Now that we have the antenna base installed on the outside, we can fish our antenna cable back through. As you fish the antenna cable through and you get to the grommet, make sure it seals well in the panel so there aren't any water or air leaks. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or even event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.